Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to withdraw money from eToro. Withdrawing money from eToro is a straightforward process. First of all, open your eToro application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're inside the home page of eToro, tap on the three hamburger menu at the top left corner of the screen. Now once you open up this expanded menu, click on Withdraw Funds. On the next page, if you have enough balance on your account, you will need to go ahead and enter the specific amount you would like to withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, and the minimum withdrawal amount is $30. Follow through the instruction and complete the electronic withdrawal form, and then you will be able to get your funds in your bank account within a few business days depending on your bank. So that is how you easily withdraw money from your eToro account if you have enough balance on your account. If you don't, you will be seeing this kind of an interface where it says your account does not have sufficient funds to withdraw. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.